Welcome to another episode of Tech Unplugged, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of tech innovations. Today we're exploring an exciting new tool called xpipe, an intelligent shell connection hub and remote file manager that could revolutionize how you interact with your server infrastructure. So, what is xpipe exactly? Well, imagine being able to access your entire server infrastructure from your local machine, seamlessly linking your favorite command line tools like SSH, Docker, and Kubernetes, all without requiring any complex setup on your remote systems. That's right. If you're someone who frequently works with servers and containers, xpipe is here to simplify your life. Now let's dig a little deeper. You know how sometimes managing multiple remote connections can feel like juggling 10 flaming torches? xpipe acts as your friendly assistant, organizing all those connections into neat hierarchical categories. Whether you have 5 connections or 500, xpipe keeps everything tidy, making it easy to find what you need without getting overwhelmed. And it doesn't stop there. xpipe allows you to create specific login environments for different use cases. For instance, say you're working on a project that requires a particular setup, like connecting to a Kubernetes cluster versus a virtual machine. With xpipe, you can swiftly jump into ideal environments, reducing setup time and boosting productivity. Isn't that just fantastic? Now let's talk about file management. Ever tried editing a file on a remote system and wished you could just drag and drop it like you would on your desktop? xpipe makes that dream a reality. Its optimized workflow lets you interact with remote file systems just as easily as you would locally. You can open files from any directory in your favorite terminal and even use local programs to edit them. No more cumbersome switching back and forth. Speaking of ease of use, xpipe features a powerful terminal launcher that takes you directly into a shell session with just a click. Imagine clicking a button and poof, you're right where you need to be. This feature fills password prompts automatically and supports various terminal emulators. Smooth, right? But security is always a concern, especially when we're talking about remote access. Here's the kicker. xpipe stores all your data exclusively on your local system within a secure vault. If you're looking for added security, you can even set a custom master passphrase. Plus, xpipe integrates with your password manager through its command line interface, ensuring all your sensitive information stays put and out of the hands of the internet. Okay. Let's wrap this up with how easy it is to install. Whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, xpipe offers various installation options, from user-friendly installers to more hands-on methods like terminal commands. And for those of you who prefer portability, you can grab a version that can run anywhere. Talk about flexibility. As we journey towards the end of today's episode, let's reflect on what makes xpipe so special. It's all about enhancing your workflow, increasing productivity, and keeping security at the forefront. So, are you feeling intrigued? What use cases can you envision for yourself with this handy hub? We invite you to explore xpipe, and as always, let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Unplugged, where we keep you updated on all things ingenious in the tech world. Until next time, happy computing.